Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. This is Miss Jeannie Shim again. Today we're going to learn Korean consonants. There are 14 Korean consonants. The first one is 기역. When you write Korean alphabets, basically you write from left to right and from top to bottom. So when you write 기역, write it this way. When I say 기역, it is the name of the consonant. Yes, it is important to know the name of the consonant because I'm going to use the name of the consonant most of the time, and if you know the name of the consonant, the sound of the consonant is automatic. Like 기역, do you hear the sound of G in the beginning and the last of the sound? 기역 is used in the word 김치. Kimchi may be one of the most popular Korean food. Another word that 기역 is used is the most popular Korean last name, Kim. I know many people use K to write Kim in English, but the sound is 기역. Because of it, more people prefer to use Gim instead of using Kim nowadays. The next one is ni은. It has the sound of N in English. You can find the sound in the word 누나 when a male calls his older sister, or 나 when the speaker refers to himself. The next consonant is 디귿. It is like one side open for a square. Its equivalent English sound is D. When you say dessert, Koreans use the same word, 디저트, and the word starts with 디귿. The next consonant is 리을. This is to put 기역 and 디귿 together. Once again, having 기역 and 디귿 together. Many Korean books say it has a sound of R in English, but it's actually L in English. The most common word that starts with 리을 are 라면 and 라디오. Yes, you may sound like them like ramen or radio, but the native Korean sounds are 라면 and 라디오. L sound instead of R. The next consonant is like a square, which is read 미음. When you say words like manager, mom, monkey, you can hear the sound of 미음, which is M in English. The next consonant is 비읍, and it is like pushing the top to the middle of 미음. When you say break, benefit, bachelor, you hear the sound of 비읍, which is equivalent to B in English. The next consonant is not using straight lines but curves. You connect the two curves and you can connect them on the top, or you can put one at the middle of the other one. It is all personal preference, and its sound is equivalent to S in English. You can hear the sound from sport, support, society, and so on. The next consonant is just a circle, and its name of the consonant is 이응. We will see this one later, but if this consonant is used in the beginning of a letter, it does not produce any sound. In fact, we talked about the vowels, and the rule to make a letter in Korean is to start with a consonant. Therefore, to make a letter using each vowel, you need to place 이응 in front of the vertical vowels or above the horizontal vowels. So the vowels can be 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. As you see, each of the letter is pronounced the same as just vowels only. But the rule to write is to include a consonant, and you're going to use 이응. If the 이응 is used in other ways as the starting consonant, it has the sound of 응. It is like young, yang, English, or mango. The next consonant is jiet. It has a sound of J or Z in English. It is jiet. When you write this, you can connect the top horizontal line and shield in the middle or at the corner. Usually for handwriting, people connect it at the corner, but the computer font is to connect it in the middle. You can hear the sound from James or juice. The next one is chiet. This has a sound of ch in English, and it's an aspirated sound of jiet. You can hear the sound from chair or child from English. The next consonant is kiuk, and this consonant is from giok. Notice the difference between giok and kiuk, or G and K. As the K is from G, so is kiuk is from giok. In other words, kiuk is an aspirated sound of giok. When you say the name Kimberly or the word king, you hear the sound kiuk. The next consonant is tiet, and as you hear, its sound is equivalent to T in English. Tiet. This consonant is stronger than digut. Hear the difference between the two. You can hear the sound in T, taxi, or tennis. The next consonant is piup, and it's an aspirated sound of biup. Hear the similarity and difference between B and P, or biup or piup. You can hear the sound from piano, pencil, or PC. The last consonant is hiet. It has a sound of H, and you can hear the sound from host, hair, house, horse, or harm. See, it is used in the consonant word 하늘, meaning sky. So I explained the 14 consonants to you. They are 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읍, and hiët. Among them, you can categorize 기역 and kiuk together, 디귿 and ti읒, 비읍 and pi읍, 지읒 and 치읒, because each of the letter in each group is an aspirated sound of the first one. There are 5 double consonants: 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. You don't have to memorize them because when you see them, just make sure to pronounce them correctly. They're linguistically called a fortis, or the tense sound. You can find the 쌍기역 from 코끼리 in Korean, 쌍디귿 from 딸기, 쌍비읍 from 빨래, 쌍시옷 from 쓰레기, and 쌍지읒 from 짜장면. Once again, I want to emphasize the importance of memorizing the name of each consonant because it will give you the sound of each consonant. Practice them writing and reading them simultaneously. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읍, 히읗. And we know that kiuk is from 기역 and ti읒 is from 디귿. 피읍 is from 비읍. 치읒 is from 지읒. I explained that King Sejong the Great created the vowels from the principles of the yin-yang theory. Then what about the consonants? Do you think they're just random symbols? Actually, they're not. Each consonant is made based on the shape of vocal organ when it's pronounced. See the shape of the vocal organ when you pronounce the consonant 기역? See the shape of the vocal organ when you pronounce the consonant nian. Isn't that amazing? That is why the Korean writing system is very scientific. See you next time. 다음에 봐요.